Hi, so in this video we are looking at how to remove the bottom bar in the top bar using Premiere Pro. So first of all, once you have your video in the timeline, you will want to click on it and we will go to Effect Controls. Now, once here, you will want to uncheck the Uniform Scale box. It now allows us to change height and width independently. And now we can stretch the video so that the taskbar is not seen on the screen. And you will need to fiddle with it a bit to know what is the optimal height and position. I know, because I've done it a ton of times, that for me it's 104. So if you're using Audacity and you want to remove it, it's 104, but it will be different depending on what kind of software, what kind of a taskbar and top bar you're dealing with. And then with the position, you also will want to play with it a bit, and I'm sure you will figure it out. So yeah, that's basically it. You just need to play with the scale height in position and you should easily be able to remove taskbar.